Welcome guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. You may have seen my past video on travel bags. So today we have a different travel bag. Now this is a pink travel bag. So what's nice about these travel bags from this brand is you can store a lot of different stuff in them. So for example, this travel bag has a hook so you can hang everything on, clothes hanger, wherever you want to hang it for all your stuff. It has a zipper pocket up top here, allows you to put stuff in. There's a little loop here that you could hook something in there or hang something within this. As you can see, you got a deep pocket for putting your personal belongings in. You have a front zippered pocket as well. So front zipper pocket. So this one is for my wife. I have another one. You guys may have seen that video, maybe not. But that one is for me. So for when we travel, but a lot of people use these for college dorms, trips, events, just different things. You got side pocket over here. You have another side pocket. It is fully vented. That way it keeps your items cooled off. Inside you have these little straps. It's going to be a little hard for you to see, but you have these straps inside right there that allows you to put different stuff down in to hold it in place. But overall, it is a nice bag. So again, we're going to be using them for when we travel, but you guys can use them for whatever you guys want to do. And again, you can hang it with it open. You can hang it like this. You can have both zippers closed. Overall, there's a lot of different things and ways you can use it. So guys, welcome back. So as you can see, you can place a lot of different stuff down inside. So you got this whole basket actually fits down inside here, and it does close, so it's pretty awesome. And again, you can fit all kinds of different stuff. You can fit tons of stuff in it. So again, this whole basket fit down inside there, so pretty awesome, a lot of room.